Catch this, hot milk straight into the fridge, not a good idea. Why, you wonder? Well, let's delve into the science. When hot milk is placed in the fridge, it raises the overall temperature. This in turn can cause other foods to enter the danger zone of above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, where bacteria multiply rapidly. And we don't want that, do we? Moreover, sudden cooling can cause a change in the milk's texture, leading to a less creamy, less desirable drink. The solution? Allow your milk to cool at room temperature, then refrigerate. Remember, patience is key to preserving the perfect glass of milk. And there you have it. A little science, a lot of sense. Stay informed, stay healthy. See you next time.